How do you know?
Because I can see all the presents that I asked for. I didn't. I found a Trixie and a Wii and a Purple Pansy. No, this is a good one. But where's my train set?
Your train set?
He didn't give me that.
What train set?
Oh, here it is. This is it. This is it. You just have to open this. I can see all the stuff.
Isn't that awesome, kiddo?
Yeah.
Aren't you excited?